To clean your catalytic, you will need a 2-inch paintbrush and a can of keyboard dusting air. Open the door and remove the flame guard by pulling it towards yourself. Tilting the flame guard up towards the ceiling of the firebox will help it come out easily. Remove ash buildup by gently brushing side to side. The catalytic should be left in place. If the catalytic is removed, the gasket will need to be replaced. Next, use the canned air to gently blow any remaining ash through the catalytic converter. This will remove ash that is located deeper in the catalyst. Once the catalytic is clean, you can reinstall the flame guard by inserting the 2 pointed tabs into the 2 slots located below the catalytic.